Hey everybody, this is Karen Martz coming to you live from North Carolina, and we're at the Scotland Neck Inn in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. And this is Freedom the Parrot, and he is traveling with me. Freedom, do you want to say hi? He doesn't really say hi on command. But anyway, we are in the breakfast room, and we're just having a quick meal, and then I'm actually heading over to the Sylvan Heights Bird Park, where supposedly they've got over 2,000 geese, ducks, and I believe it's the largest collection of waterfowl in the world. So I'm very excited. Of course, Freedom will not be able to join me. He'll have to hold down the fort here. Okay, Freedom, signing off from Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Have a great day.